Hi, I'm Sammy with Evo, and today we're here at the Oakley Interplanetary headquarters to get the lowdown on the newest technology in snow goggles. Today I'm here with Wayne Chumley, Director of the Vision Performance Lab here at Oakley. Wayne, do you want to tell us a little bit about yourself?
I've been with the brand for close to 28 years. The Vision Performance Lab is what I would consider a 360-degree approach to product development. So we're going to investigate culture, we're going to investigate user behavior up front with research teams. We have a lot of fit, comfort, performance metrics that we infuse into the product development cycle. And then ideally, we're taking all of our learnings and we're feeding marketing consistent, accurate stories. So we're an R&D team, but we touch a lot of different segments.
We have talked a lot about Prizm lens technology in the past couple of days. What makes it so special?
Number one, it's patented by Oakley. So we have our unique version of contrast enhancement. And if I simplify it and maybe take a step back, the way our vision system works is light enters our eye and focuses on the back of your eye and your retina and sends a signal to your brain. That's how you know what you're looking at. When we think about snow, the white surface reflects all color back at us. And so what we're getting is basically all color and lack of contrast as a result. So we're filtering the colors that we know will build contrast back into a snow environment, allowing you to have the contrast that you would get in any other situation. So now for the first time, you can actually see contours and texture in a way you couldn't see before Prizm.
Wayne, we have a lot of different lenses in front of us. So can you talk a little bit about the difference between them?
This has been somewhat of a long road to actually give you the same performance, goggle to goggle, even though they have a different aesthetic. So you can now choose the aesthetic you want and have a real similar performance expectation across each color. That's pretty unique to our brand. We're giving you so much good light that Prizm technology allows you to go from clouds or low light all the way to bright conditions and everything in between, without really noticing your light conditions are changing much.
Sweet, so what you're saying is I could put a mirrored lens on at the beginning of the day when it's cloudy, and when it gets sunny later on, I won't have to change it?
That's been an evolution in Prizm technology, and I feel like we've perfected it.